BCH price prediction or Bitcoin Cash price prediction. Bitcoin Cash just liquidate 500k worth of longs right here, 500k worth of longs. 185, 881k and 300k. So that's like 1.5 mil with just this 30-minute candle right here. So the question is, what is going to happen now? In the last trade, I gave you my bearish and bullish scenario. I said longs closed equals entry, and this is the exact pico bottom I gave you. And if we went to here, I was going long. I didn't long, but I still managed to get a really good amount of profits from the shorts. So the question is, what are we going to do now? So there's a few scenarios. First of all, the move is almost over. I would have bought from here to here, maybe to here. So now what I would be looking for is catching some liquidations to the upside. 613 is a nice area. I know it's very far-fetched, but this is an area I would really like to go to, like around here, basically here. So the ideal scenario for me would be to slowly start building momentum to the upside, getting a hit on this level, and then we're gonna go bearish. Another option is we just go down to 576.2. 576.2 is basically right here, this area, because a lot of longs will have their stop losses here. We get them out and then we move up from there. So this is basically my two scenarios, how I'm planning to trade this. If you want to find my trades, use the link in the description down below to join my signals chat. Also in the description, I'll have a link to my course, which I've tried to price pretty cheap relative to other courses, and also have some welcome gifts for you from BitGET. They've prepared an 8 grand welcome gift. Enjoy a regular welcome gift of 8.1k plus $100 plus USDT exclusive perks. If you want to join BitGET and start your crypto trading journey, they'll have over 20 million signups, 18 plus support languages, elite traders 20k plus. You can copy trade the good traders. They are also the official crypto exchange partner of the Chelsea Football Club. So they're not just some random exchange. They're really upping their game when it comes to marketing and having good liquidity. Marketing is very important for an exchange, to have good liquidity for us to open trades without being interrupted, to have the liquidity, especially if you have bigger size. That's a big problem. Love with all my heart. See you next video.